Our next item is Nagendra Haraya. Nagendra Haraya is a Shiva Panchakshar Stotram, and they are Nakaraya, Makaraya, Shikaraya, Vakaraya, and Yakaraya. These holy letters represents 5 elements of our body, that is earth, water, fire, air, and sky. Shiva, who has the king of snakes as his garland, 3 eyes in his face, who is ever pure and has 4 directions as his clothes, is worshipped with water from river Mandakini smeared with sandal paste, and who is the lord of Nandi and that of ghosts and goblins. The great Lord is worshipped with Mandara and many other flowers. Lord Shiva is like the sun causing the lotus face of Mother Gauri to blossom, who is a destroyer of arrogance of Daksha, who has a blue throat, who is worshipped by the most respected sages and also by the gods. Lord Shiva has Chandra, Surya, and Agni as his 3 eyes. Lord Shiva is embodiment of sacrifice, who has matted hairs and has a trident in his hand, who is eternal and divine. Set to Rag Shivaranjani, Tal Rupak, choreography by Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra.
शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय शिवाय गौरी शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्ज वृन्द शिवाय गौरी शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्ज वृन्द सूर्याय दक्ष धुरनाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिखराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय वसिष्ठ कुम्भोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्रदेवार्चितशेखराय चन्द्रार्कवैश्वानरलोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय यक्षस्वरूपाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्राय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय दिगंबराय तस्मै अकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय